Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to sign up for Amazon Affiliate Program. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Affiliate Program in Amazon. In here, you will see a link that says Shop Affiliate Marketing with Amazon. Click on the link and then make sure it says www.amazon.com. In here, you will be able to read about Amazon's affiliate program. Now the next step is to sign in. In here, let's sign up for an affiliate program. Again, in here, you will be able to monetize our content with Amazon Influencer Program. On number 1, we will be able to build our storefront. On 2, we will be able to create, and on 3, we will be able to earn. Now tap on Sign Up. If you are an existing customer over at Amazon, you can tap on Sign In. You can also create a new account, depending on your preference. Over here, if you choose Sign In, all you have to do is to input your name, your email, and then your password. Then don't forget to re-enter your password as well. Once done, tap on Create your Amazon account. In here, you can enter your details and just click on Create. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.